2025 Ferrari 812 GTS Concept is a breathtaking evolution of open-top motoring, embodying the raw power and sophistication that define Ferrari's legacy. A masterpiece of Italian engineering, this Grand Tourer is more than just a convertible. It's an experience that ignites the senses, blending high-performance capabilities with luxurious refinement. From the moment it comes into view, the 812 GTS Concept commands attention with its sculpted aerodynamics and aggressive stance. Every curve, every detail is meticulously crafted, ensuring both beauty and function. The long, flowing hood hints at the power beneath, while the wide rear haunches emphasize its muscular presence. Ferrari's signature aerodynamic elements, including active air vents and sculpted underbody panels, enhance downforce and stability at high speeds. The retractable hardtop seamlessly integrates into the design, transforming the car from a coupe to an open-air masterpiece in just seconds, offering an unfiltered connection to the road and the roaring V12 engine. At the heart of the 812 GTS Concept lies Ferrari's legendary 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, delivering an astonishing 830 horsepower and 690 Nm of torque. This mechanical symphony propels the car from 0 to 60 mph in under 3 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 211 mph. The advanced 8-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures lightning-fast gear changes, providing seamless power delivery whether cruising through the city or tearing down a racetrack. Ferrari's precision engineering extends to the handling, with 4-wheel steering enhancing agility and stability. The latest side-slip control, SSC system, and magnetic suspension deliver unparalleled cornering capability, ensuring that every turn is met with razor-sharp responsiveness. Carbon ceramic brakes provide immense stopping power, giving drivers the confidence to push limits while maintaining absolute control. Step inside, and the 812 GTS Concept envelops you in luxury. The interior is a perfect harmony of cutting-edge technology and handcrafted excellence. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and meticulously stitched details create an environment that is both sporty and refined. The digital cockpit is designed for the driver, featuring a high-resolution instrument cluster and an advanced infotainment system with Ferrari's latest HMI human-machine interface. Voice commands, seamless smartphone integration, and an intuitive touchscreen ensure effortless control of navigation, media, and connectivity features. The passenger display adds an interactive element, allowing co-pilots to engage with performance data and entertainment options. Comfort is never compromised, with adjustable sports seats that offer supreme support on long journeys. Climate control, premium audio, and customizable ambient lighting make every drive an experience to savor. Beyond raw power and luxury, the 812 GTS Concept introduces innovative technology that sets it apart. Active aerodynamics adapt to driving conditions, optimizing efficiency and performance dynamically. Advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane-keeping assistance, provide an extra layer of confidence without detracting from the car's visceral engagement. Ferrari's latest AI-driven driving dynamics adjust torque vectoring and traction control in real time, ensuring peak performance regardless of road conditions. The hybrid-ready architecture hints at Ferrari's future, blending traditional power with cutting-edge advancements for sustainability without sacrificing performance. The 812 GTS Concept is more than just a car. It's a statement, an experience, a masterpiece of engineering designed for those who demand the extraordinary sea. Whether unleashed on an open highway, carving through mountain roads, or simply admired for its sheer beauty, This Ferrari is a testament to the brand's relentless pursuit of perfection. It captures the soul of a race car while delivering the sophistication of a grand tour, ensuring that every journey is nothing short of exhilarating.